you want to get some characters in Be a Billionaire, here's what you have to do. Subscribe, like, and comment your username. I will add you and I'll invite you to join, and whatever you type is what you get. Tixman, Tix Investor, Hacker, Millionaire, Crypto Bro, DJ, Mr. Frost, Mr. Pyro, Rapper, Royal King, Dark King, Artist, Billionaire, President, Chef, Lemonade Stand, and I'll just go through. So that's all you can get. Make sure you do those things if you want them. Look, this guy's only got Dark Kings, but he's got Auto Collector. But I don't need Auto Collector. But if you want to trade, I'll be happy to trade. Here we go. Wait. Why have I got so much? Oh, she's rich. She's rich, I can tell. She's rich. Oh dear. Actually, no, I've got the most. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Look at these gangs. And I've got bloody grandma and a ninja, bro. Nah, you know I'm gonna be very kind. I've got 1 diamond. I want the totem. Yo. Alright, you know what to do? Subscribe, like, comment, and tell me your username in the